What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my room tour.
Yeah, boy.
You walk in, the first thing you're gonna see is how wide the room is. And obviously outside of the wideness of the room, you're going to see my couch here. Now this couch, I got this couch from Bob's Furniture. I think it was about like $900. The cool thing about this couch, it does have extra space under here, but you can also take that bottom piece out right there. So if you do have any company over and they want to sit on the couch, you can pull that couch out and you can have extra leg room for anybody to lay down or extra people to sit down. Now, the next part of the room we do have is my PC setup. You have my Xbox over there to the corner. You have my mesh network behind it. I do have also other gadgets and stuff like that here. Like I have my Meta glasses to the corner over there. I have my other phone. I have my 2 controllers, my headset. I have a battery pack that I purchased from my job. I have this cool thing here. This is something that I made in high school. It's of my favorite football players. So you have Aaron Rodgers here. You have Calvin Johnson here. You have Charles Woodson here. I'm sorry, you have Charles Woodson here. You have Charles Woodson here. And then you have Sean Taylor here. This could also be Charles Woodson as well, because Charles Woodson was number 21 on the Raiders. So you can kind of switch him out. I mean, it depends. But he was also 21 on the Packers as well. So I kind of made this in high school. This is in my ceramics class, and it just has a bunch of stuff in it. Now for my monitors, I do have a 2 monitor setup. Now this monitor here, this is a OLED monitor. I believe it is a ROG. I don't remember the name of it, but I probably will put it on the screen. It is a ROG monitor. It's 280 refresh rate. I think OLED monitors are definitely a game changer in gaming, depending on what game you're playing. Like right now, my favorite game right now is Crimson Desert. Crimson Desert looks absolutely insane on a OLED monitor. This monitor to the left is a Asus monitor. They're both 27-inch monitors. This one is a pretty solid monitor as well, but this one I believe is only 180. And then I have a Steam Deck right over here. When you come over here, you have a dresser right next to my bed, and it just has a couple of things that I pretty much need. Don't pay that no mind. All of that is fake prop money. But you have my headphones, my Sennheisers, my Minimum 4s. You have my car keys. You have my brush. You know, you got keeping waves spinning. You have my Ridge wallet. That's pretty dope. It's nice and compact, so you don't really have to lug around a big wallet. Have my chapstick, AirPods, my Apple Watch, and then there's this cool thing that I saw here at my job. It's kind of like a phone holder, so you can put a phone on it, but you can also put a remote on it to hold a controller, so like a PS5 controller or Xbox controller. So I think that's pretty dope. And then when you turn around from there, you do have my little sneaker collection. If you guys want me to do a video on my sneaker collection, just let me know. But we have some Jordan ones here. These are my beaters. I use these to go to work and stuff like that. You can just look at the bottom of them and tell that I beat these to the ground. You have my Vomeros here. I also beat these to the ground. I use these to work out. You can see the hole on the side of them. So these are kind of just my everyday shoes here at the top. We also have my Yeezys. Kanye ain't do shit to me. You know what I'm saying? He said a lot of nonsense, but he didn't really do nothing to me. But this is my little shoe collection. Again, if you guys want me to do a video of all the sneakers I have, I will do that for you guys. Now that we got all that stuff out the way, we are at my favorite part of my bedroom, which is my entertainment setup. So this TV here is a 65-inch Samsung Micro RGB R95. It is the newest technology that has been out within the past 10 years. This TV is really good. You have a glare-free screen, so you wouldn't really have any reflection if you're watching brighter scenes. And at the bottom, we do have a Sonos sound system, and we also have a subwoofer to the side over there. And I think this is a really good setup. Can it be a little overkill for a bedroom? Yes, sometimes it does feel like that, but this TV does run at 165 refresh rate. So if you're doing any gaming or anything like that, you'll be perfectly fine. But we also have surround sounds to the side of our beds. So when you're watching really immersive things like Top Gun or anything that offers Dolby Atmos, you'll get a really good surround sound system. If you guys want me to go more in depth on the TV with the Sonos soundbar system. Just let me know in the comments and I'll definitely get that for you. The lights that I do have behind the TV are the Nanoleaf. The only reason why I went with the Nanoleaf is because I do have the panels that go on the wall as well. And the cool thing about it is that you can sync the LED lights behind the TV and the LEDs together to kind of make the entire room be immersed in whatever you're watching. So I think that's a pretty cool thing. But you also have different options like Govee lights and Philips Hue lights and sync lights and stuff like that. But I do think the Nanoleaf is a pretty solid light. I don't have it on cinematic mode right now, as you can see in the video. I kind of just have it on that vivid mode where it's kind of just wheeling through colors. But this is definitely a great setup and I love it. And I really won't be changing anything no time soon. This dresser here I did purchase from Wayfair. It came with 2 other nightstands, and for the bundle it was about $300, which really isn't too bad considering everything that it came with. I did put it together myself. It probably took me about like a couple hours to put it together. In this corner we have my colognes, so you can see all different types of colognes. So here's a Spice Bomb. You have this one. You have Bulgari Man. My favorite cologne here is most definitely Prada Black Luna Rosa. This one is definitely, I feel like this is probably more of like a summertime, not summertime, but like a wintertime kind of scent. But I feel like you can use it year round. But yeah, this one is definitely my favorite cologne. Bond Number 9 is also another one of my favorite colognes. It has like a nice sweet scent to it. So this one is definitely up there. You also have Initio Side Effects. This is a pretty cool one. This definitely takes some time to kind of bring the scent in. I would definitely say if you're gonna wear this when you're going out, I'd definitely say put it on like an hour before you leave, just to give it some time to air out. And then it has a really nice scent to it. So that is pretty much the room tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. The only thing I didn't show you guys is my closet. My closet does look a little crazy. I really do not want to show you guys my closet, but if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, all that other stuff. I will see you guys in the next video.